When should you call a plumber versus doing it yourself? If you are asking this question, you want to save money without risking major water damage. Today, we will answer exactly which plumbing jobs are safe for DIY and which require a professional. Can I fix a running toilet myself? Yes, you can usually fix a running toilet yourself. Replacing a worn-out flapper or adjusting the float arm inside the tank are simple, low-risk repairs that require basic tools and minimal plumbing experience. When should I call a plumber for a clogged drain? You should call a plumber for a clogged drain if plunging fails or if multiple drains in your home back up at the same time. This indicates a severe blockage deep in your main sewer line. Can I replace a showerhead on my own? Yes, you can replace a showerhead on your own. It is a very safe DIY project that simply requires unscrewing the old fixture, applying new thread seal tape, and twisting on the new showerhead. When should I call a plumber for a water heater issue? You should always call a plumber for a water heater issue. Working with pressurized hot water, natural gas lines, or high-voltage electrical elements poses a massive safety risk for any untrained homeowner. Can I fix a dripping faucet myself? Yes, you can fix a dripping faucet yourself if you have basic hand tools. Replacing a worn-out O-ring or a faulty internal cartridge is a straightforward DIY fix that will stop the annoying leak. When should I call a plumber for low water pressure? You should call a plumber for low water pressure if the problem affects the entire house. This usually points to a failing pressure regulator or severe pipe distortion, which requires professional diagnostics and replacement. Can I install my own garbage disposal? You can install your own garbage disposal only if you are completely comfortable with both plumbing and electrical work. If you are unsure about wiring the unit or properly aligning the drain pipes, it is always safer to call a pro. When should I call a plumber for a hidden leak? You must call a plumber immediately for a hidden leak inside a wall or under a concrete slab. Professionals have specialized acoustic and thermal imaging equipment to pinpoint the exact location without destroying your walls. Can I repair my own main sewer line? No, you can never repair your own main sewer line. Dealing with raw sewage is a severe biohazard, and repairing the line requires heavy excavation equipment, city permits, and specialized trenchless repair technology. Know your limits and never risk destroying your home with a failed DIY plumbing project. For expert diagnostics, safe repairs, and guaranteed professional results, contact the specialists at Black Mountain Plumbing.